Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Wednesday. And when we check our economic calendar, which I'm going to check at the end of the video, we're going to see actually which high impact do we have today. I think we don't actually have much. Okay, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends so that you don't actually miss our daily updates. We also go on our live session like each and every day. Even today around 3 o'clock we're gonna go actually 30 minutes before New York Stock Exchange open. So now we are actually on GBP JPY on 4 hours time frame. We can easily see that the market is doing what? The market is pushing to the upside, and I like the fact that where we are now, where the market is currently, we are actually on a very nice support. So there is a room for the market to do what? To push the upside. Actually, I just sent a buy pending order. So let's go closer there. Let's zoom. Sorry. Yeah, you can easily see. That yes, this is the support area that we have. We have actually a horizontal support that we actually have there, and also a diagonal support. So actually we are on a very, very, very important support area. If the market doesn't really break out here, we're going to have our buy pending order ready, and we're going to have a very nice trade there. The market might push up very nice. So that's what we're expecting currently. Yes, the market is trying to push lower a little bit, which is fine. So let's go maybe on 1 hour and check what's really happening. You can see that the market is trying, to show us that it might bounce back. There is a possibility that the market can still push lower anyway, but I'm expecting a very nice push. We can see that it can still reach this area. Before pushing up, because this is the last area where the market actually reached several times. Again, the market reached this area. So, but you should know that the market has this room to play around. So once you see the market reach this area, don't just jump and say, oh, the market is breaking. No, relax. The market might be playing around, and once you're out, the market might start to push the upside. That's why we have our buy pending order around this area. So we're expecting what? The market to push to the upside. I hope you see that. So let's push to the next one. I also have actually this order. Whoa, gold is pushing lower. Let me see. Actually, I think maybe my stop loss was bit very, very closer. Okay, it's a bit far. It's fine. Okay, it's fine. So let's go on gold on 4 hours time frame. What's really happening on XAU USD? We can easily see that yes, the market actually on a bigger time frame, the market actually showed us that I'm pushing to the upside, especially when every time it touches this area. So now we are actually around the same level. So the question is, will the market actually push the upside? Yes, there is a chance for the market to do that. There is enough chance for the market to push the upside. So our job now is to go very, very closer to this area here and see what's really happening. Whatever happened back here, it's not really that much for now. We have to look what's really happening now. And it seems like the market is doing what? It's selling off for now. So if it's selling off, I think we're gonna have a very nice buy. Now we are very closer. So if you check the structure, you can easily see that we have a very nice support there, a horizontal support and also a diagonal one. So it means the market is going towards a very stronger area. So what is going to happen here is, once the market reaches this area, we might see the market bouncing back very quick. Why? There we have a very nice support area there. So we will be expecting the market to do the same thing. Yes, it's possible. It's possible for the market to break this area and start to push the lower side. It's possible. But we're just going to actually focus on this area. For now, I'm expecting a very nice buy. Things might change here, it's fine, but I think maybe the market will try actually to reach this area before pushing to the upside. On top there, we saw the market struggling to break this area. Let me try to zoom a little bit. We saw the market struggle actually around this area. We see that it was consolidating, so that was not actually good time for us to be in the market. On top here, we easily see a nice resistance. So the market, once the market reaches that area, we also have to think twice. But for now, the market seems to be trying to go back on our on our support area. Then if it does that, we might have a very, very nice buy. I hope you get that. And if you like what we're doing here, if you like that content, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, like, share with your friends so that you don't actually miss this daily update. Now we are actually on US30, Dow Jones, US Wall Street 30. What's really happening? We are still waiting for a retest around this area. The market actually gave us a very nice structure where it was pushing down, very nice, and then after we saw a breakout, which we actually did smash. We did take that one, very nice. In the group, they received some very nice signals. Sorry, I have signals, especially early in the morning. So what's really happening here is, the market actually broke out very nice, pushed up here along this area. Obviously, we're going to mark that as a resistance for now. So now the market might push to this breakout, then start to create something like that. If the market wants to push the upside, as it seems like the market was getting out of this short-term downtrend, you see. So that is something that I'm expecting maybe the market to do. Let me just throw that resistance. We have to mark this area. The market might bounce back around that area again. So we have a chance, the market has a chance to do something like that. So we can actually check that when it happens. But for now, the market is still playing. The market is still playing games, and we don't actually have to entertain that. Let's wait for the market to be around this area or around these levels. Then we can jump on the market. For those who wants to join the team, if you want to join the team, especially you here on YouTube, just know that we are actually still on that $50. You're saving that $200. It's a lifetime VIP signal, by the way. So if you want to join the team, let me know. You can still get that for only $50 from $200. For those who wants to join a mentorship, it's actually $150. Just let me know if you want to be part of the team. So let's go straight to NASDAQ. Let's go straight to NASDAQ and see what's really happening. NASDAQ also quite similar to US30. It was just playing games with us. We never saw any aggressive move. But besides that, we have to identify our support area as the market is actually pushing to the upside. So I will draw double lines. The reason behind that, I use that as a zone so I don't actually fall for fake breakouts. So if we go closer there, you can easily see that yes, the market already created some areas that we can actually rely on. So I see one of those areas. Even around this area, I think it's something. On top there, it's a mess. On top there, it's just a mess. You want to know actually where can we draw our thing. You can see we have this area here, we have this area, we have also this. Again, we also have that. So there's so much stuff going on there, and I think maybe it's just for a reason, just to confuse us. So what we're going to do is we just have to maybe try to get the lowest area there. I think you can see that. I think we can call that our current support. And I think the market is not ready actually to push the upside. Again, also it's not ready to actually push lower. As we can see that the market is just playing around. And maybe if you count these days, it's from Thursday, last week around 1st of June. Let me see, when was that? It was actually last week Thursday. the market was just playing games here. We don't see this nice moves like that. We also see a nice bullish move, but you can see the market came back and correct that very quick. So now actually the market is trying to show us something around this area, but it's not visible. Whatever it's trying to show us, it's not visible. So we're just going to rely on this support for now, and then maybe the market will just continue pushing up. But with the type of a structure, the way I see things, I think we might see a reversal, maybe for a retest before we see maybe a push. But by the way, next week there is FOMC. I will show you on the calendar here. Then maybe that might change things. So actually on NASDAQ, things are not really clear. So we'll just have to wait and see. Maybe when we go live, we will see what's really happening. So today we're going to go live around 4. There is actually interest rates for Canada. You can see here. For Outlook, I hope maybe we have to trade this one. Tomorrow we have unemployment claims, especially on NASDAQ. We might see some moves, also on gold. Friday we have unemployment change for Canada. I think we also have to attend this one, especially around 2:30. So this week we don't actually have much US economic news. Next week is a different story. Next week, just check here for if you don't really want to miss all this as type of analysis when we go live. Just smash the subscribe button. Next week from Tuesday, you can see the CPI, which is very great because it's going to measure inflation, if maybe it's going up or down, and if it's going up or down, that is going to give us clue of what FOMC might do. The second day, which is going to be Wednesday around 8 o'clock, we have to go live on that one. When we go further, I think we also have retail sales along the way. We have retail. So actually next week is just US economic news. On Friday, it's a treasury, whatever, but I don't think maybe that is too much, you see. So, but we have 3 high impact news that we can actually rely on next week, and that is going to make the market to seriously move. And if we are on the right side of the market, then we can actually smash that. So don't forget that you can actually join our mentorship for $49.99 actually. It's 4 months mentorship. If you want to learn whatever that I'm doing here, if you want to be a pro and learn whatever, then I'm going to teach you for 4 months for only $149. But if you just want the signals for now, it's actually $50. It's lifetime. You're saving actually $200. Let me know if you want to be part of the team. If you check the description, you will find my contacts, or you can just slap that WhatsApp link, then it's going to take you straight to my WhatsApp. So thank you very much. We'll see you later on. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. Bye.